Hello everyone, welcome back to Dollars Spoken. This is Sumita speaking. So, how are you guys? I hope you will be doing great in your life. And after a long time, I'm making this video because of that. I had gone somewhere, but now I came. So, guys, today I will teach you that how to become fluent English, and I will give you some easy tips that if you will follow these tips, then definitely you will become a confident English speaker. So without any further ado, let's start. But before start our session, let me tell you one thing. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe and share with your friends and your loved ones. And let's dive in. So guys, let me share with you which will be our first step. First step is think in English. Think in English means you can do two things. First, you can describe yourself, and second, that you can do talk to yourself. So you'll be thinking that how to describe about it. So maybe when you are taking brush, so you can say, now right now I'm taking brush, and I'm having bath, I'm having my lunch, dinner, whatever you are doing. So you can describe these things. And the let me talk about like how to talk to yourself. So you can also stand in front of your mirror, and simply you can open your camera, and you can just start talking. You can take one topic, and you can try to speak on that. Like you can also describe your day, like how was your day, and what you will do tomorrow, and you can talk about your future plans, you can talk about your good friend, your best food, your best place, so there are so many plenty of topic that you can talk about that, and you can easily practice yourself, right? So let's move to the next one. So now guys, let's move to next step. Next step is use simple sentence. Means I have seen so many students and people that they are showing themselves that I'm very good at English. Because of that, they are using sophisticated words, like different words. And so it doesn't matter. English means we have to communicate simple way, because if we are speaking some hard word, and people cannot easily understand, so it is never gonna work, and our communication will be totally spoiled. So we have to use simple words, like if someone will let me share with you one example. Like if I am tired, so I can simply say I am tired. But if I'll say I'm exhausted, so maybe so many guys who don't know, maybe beginner, if you are a beginner, so you will definitely know that what is the meaning of exhausted, because you very well know that tired means thaka hua, right? But exhausted you have to learn. But for beginner stage, the people cannot easily understand, right? So we have to use a simple sentence in our conversation, everyday conversation, that everyone can easily understand, right? So do not use hard word, use simple word that people can easily understand, right? So let's move to our next topic. So guys, let's move to our third step. Third step is listen and copy. Means you have to listen more. Because of that, if you listen more, then you can speak well. So you'll be thinking that what should I have to listen? So you can listen some podcast, some English songs, and you can go on YouTube, and you can search like English listening videos, and so you will get so many channels, right? So but let me prefer one thing. If you wanted to really learn in a better way, so you can do one thing, listen podcast. And there are so many podcast channel on YouTube, so you can listen, right? So because of that, when I was also learning spoken English, so at a time I was listening too much, like while riding cycle, while traveling, so whenever you get time, so please listen. And let me talk about a copy means listen native speakers, and try to imitate them. Imitate means आपको कॉपी करना है, कि मतलब वो कैसे बात कर रहे हैं, उनका एक्सेंट, हाव भाव कैसा है, मतलब उनको देख के एक नकल जो होता है ना, कॉपी करना, तो उसको आपको बस कॉपी करना है, कि लाइक हाउ दे आर स्पीकिंग, सो यू हैव टू कॉपी देयर सेल्फ. Okay, so maybe you will be understand in a better way this step. So let's move to our next step. Let me talk about our next step. Next step is talk without fear. Because of that, so many students and people like while speaking they are fearing themselves that there are making mistakes, right? So you don't have to fear in yourself at first, right? Because that we are in learning stage, so we don't have to show ourselves that I am a good at and I am fearing, right? You don't have to fear. Just start and forget about the grammatical things. It is a part of our learning journey, and in at first in English journey, so so we are not focusing on grammar. We have to only speak, right? So keep in mind we have to only speak, and we don't have to focus our grammatical. When you will be able to express yourself in a flawlessly, so definitely you will be also good at grammatical things, and you will know better way. And even you will be listening, so you can also know the where to use particular things like has, have, had, and ing third form, right? So listening will be the improve your grammar things also, right? So do not fear. And second thing is that you can find a one body like maybe your friend, or you can also, there are so many application on YouTube, so you can also search and talk to like 10 minutes 15 minutes call, right? So it will be also enhance your confidence, right? So maybe you'll be understand this step. So let me talk about our next step. So guys, let me talk about our fifth step, and this is our last step. This is a practice daily. Because of that, if we are not practicing daily, so you cannot become. Because of that, if we are learning something, not English, but also there are so many work. If we are not doing day by day, like we want to put on our weight, right? And we want to scale up our handwriting, anything, so we have to be consistent, and we have to do practice day by day. So if you practice day by day, then you will become a good speaker, confident speaker, and you can easily express yourself flawlessly. So at least if you have a less time, so you can speak like I think 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Take a time like 10 minutes in morning time or in evening time, according to your convenient time, but you have to practice daily, right? So guys, we came our end of the video. So make sure you will understand whole steps, and you will follow these steps, and I guaranteed you, if you follow these steps, then definitely within 1 month you will become a good English speaker, and you can also teach someone. So guys, I will meet you in my next video. For time being, bye. And if you liked this video, so please share with your friends and your loved ones, and like. And if you have any doubt, so you can comment below in the chat box. I will try to answer your question. So I will meet you in my next video. For the time being, bye.